How do I get owner information from Google Maps? Looking for business owner details in Google Maps, let's explore what information you can access step by step. So, step one, search for the business name or location in Google Maps. And then click the business profile. This shows the public information the owner has shared. Step 3, check for contact details. Owner may list a phone number, website, or email. These are official contact points provided. Step 4, look for the claimed badge. If present, the owner manages the listing. Many profiles also link to business websites where you can find more details. Google Maps only shows public owner information, contact details, hours, and websites. Private data isn't accessible. Search open profile, check details, and look for claimed badges.